don't buy the iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G. In this video, we'll explore some reasons why you might want to think twice before purchasing the iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and taking a closer look at the iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G. Starting with the aesthetics, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G boasts a bold, sporty design with striking red and white colors. While some may love its flashy appearance, others might find it a bit too much. Plus, there's a white strip on the back that tends to attract dirt, but don't worry, they throw in a clear case to protect it. 2. Now, onto the camera performance. The primary 50MP camera does a commendable job, capturing good photos in various lighting conditions. However, the 8MP ultra-wide camera falls short, which could be a downside for photography enthusiasts. 3. When it comes to competition, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G faces off against formidable rivals like the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus and OnePlus 12R. These alternatives offer style, durability, and even pack the same powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Decisions. 4. Moving on to the display. The Neo 9 Pro 5G impresses with its bright screen and super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Plus, it's even equipped with a wet touch feature, allowing you to swipe with wet hands. Pretty handy, right? 5. In terms of materials, the Neo 9 Pro 5G predominantly uses plastic to keep the price down. While the back has a pleasant vegan leather feel, some users might miss the premium materials found in other devices. 6. Let's circle back to the camera system. While the primary 50MP camera performs admirably, the ultra-wide camera leaves room for improvement. It's essential to keep this in mind, especially if photography is a priority for you. 7. Lastly, let's talk about brand recognition. iQOO might not be as well known as industry giants like Samsung or Apple. While the Neo 9 Pro 5G offers excellent value for money, brand-conscious buyers might hesitate due to the brand's lesser-known status. So, should you buy the iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G? Ultimately, it comes down to your priorities and preferences. If you prioritize performance and value, this phone won't disappoint. However, if brand prestige is essential to you, it might be worth exploring other options. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Share your thoughts on the iQOO Neo 9 Pro 5G in the comments below.